welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Hanan Saeed. If you're new, welcome. If you're a returning subscriber, thank you for always being here and supporting me. Anyway guys, while you're watching this, I have already moved. I did a video of the empty house, and also I took some videos while we were moving, so I'm gonna roll back the clips to that day, and then you're gonna see everything that happened before moving and during the move. I'm going to show you later in life how the house looks like, but I'm not promising anything. Maybe I will, maybe I will not, because of privacy stuff. And yeah, so anyway, if you're interested, you can continue watching this vlog. And yeah, I'm gonna roll back the clips to that week, and also there's some things I was doing during the week also, so I just added a few more clips on there. Yeah, enjoy. Hi guys, so this is the house tour. I'm starting from the bedroom. This is the first bedroom. It's a bit smaller, it can only fit like one bed. This is the dining area, a bit spacious. And then this is the room I share with my grandma. This is a very huge room and it can fit lots of beds. And also that's my closet, the one I'm pointing at. Yeah, this other side is my grandma's, and there's a lot of storage. This is the kitchen area. Ignore the tank. This was just when we were moving in and it was not very pleasing in the eye. That's the kitchen. This is the first toilet and it has a bathroom, and yeah, nothing fancy. And then there's the other toilet which is separate, and then there's the backyard which is very messy. Yeah, it's actually very messy. So here's the living room. It's very spacious compared to the other one. Yeah, it looks a bit nicer. So this is moving day. We were just taking things from upstairs to downstairs because we were moving downstairs. That's my uncle. If you guys remember him from the previous vlog. That's my mom. Yeah, I'm sure she didn't want to be on camera, but hey, anyway, this was just us trying to move things to this new place. Yeah, these are the ladies who are helping us. Yeah, and some of my friends too. Yeah, it was a good time, but also very exhausting. So this is how the house was looking. Everything was just so messy, but you know, that's just how people move in. Yeah, this room was still not done. This other room, they were removing the beds and stuff, and still a lot of things were happening. It was just very chaotic. That's my grandma. I'm sure you guys haven't seen her, but I've been mentioning her a lot. But yeah, that's her. She's very cute. Yeah. So the kitchen was still not done at the time, and we were just trying to get through everything. Yeah, that's pretty much it for the moving. This is Jay playing. He's so good at his job, yeah. He's a musician, music producer. Yeah, he was just playing some tunes for me and I was just jamming and having the best time. Thank you, Jay. So this was the first meal I ever prepared in this new place, and I was making breakfast for dinner. Yeah, this is me just running around the kitchen making the meal, and yeah, I was trying to make like a avocado sandwich with eggs and cheese. Yeah, turned out so great. Yeah, that's just me moving around the kitchen and just having a blast. Yeah, I also took my ample time making the coffee. Yeah, I didn't have the milk frother thing, so I just used my hands. Turned out really, really great, guys. If you use your hands, it can also work, yeah. Look at that. Yeah, this was the sweetest thing ever. I wanted to make it every day, but just it's the starting for me. It's the whatever. That is the biggest chore. But it was worth it. It was so worth it, guys. It was. That's the food. Yeah, that's what I had. I made the sandwich and yum yum yum. Hi guys, this is the end of the vlog. I hope you enjoyed it. And yeah, can't wait for you guys to see more of me. I'm so excited for this coming year because I'm gonna have a lot of content for you guys and just overall growing this channel. Yeah. Anyway, guys, hopefully you like this vlog and you subscribe. Yeah, guys, so we're on the road to 1000 subscribers, so you just subscribe, support your girl, and yeah. Anyway, guys, that's it. See you on the next one.